Hey all, let's make a crispy Rava Dosa just like in hotels. I have shared all the tips and tricks to get the perfect Rava Dosa. Hope that helps you. Now let's get started. First measure all the ingredients and get ready. I have given all the measurements in the description box. You can check that. To a mixing bowl add rava, rice flour, maida. You can replace maida with wheat flour if you are very conscious. Then add onion, green chillies, ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves, jeera, pepper, cashew, hing and salt. Measurements are very important to get the perfect rava dosa, so I would suggest to stick with the measures, and that's the reason I have given the measurement of water also. Mix this well first, then add water little by little to get a lump free runny batter as shown here. The batter will be thin in consistency. Mix it well. Batter will rest for a while, so it will get thicker after some time. Close with the lid and set aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if you open and check, the batter will be slightly thicker like shown here. Now your rava dosa batter is ready. You can use a ladle or a katori to pour on the dosa tawa. I would suggest to use iron tawa. Heat it well. It should be sizzling hot. First pour water to check. Then mix the rava dosa batter well and pour it in a drizzled way. Fill in the gaps. For me, katori works well, but it's your personal preference to use katori or a ladle. Drizzle oil and then let it cook until it's crisp at the edges. It will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. You can either flip over and cook or just fold and serve. Your crispy rava dosa is ready. Always mix the batter before pouring as sooji and flour may get settle at the bottom. Now let's make next rava dosa. Always splash a few drops of water to adjust the temperature of the dosa tawa. Then repeat to finish. Tawa temperature is also very important to get the holes as shown here. So always adjust it by splashing water. Your rava dosa is ready. Do try and let me know how it turned out for you. See you all in another recipe. Bye.